Jolteon. A cocktail tribute to the lightning Pokemon, electric type. Eevee's warm bourbon base, electrified. Vivid electric yellow, ginger spiked, with a crackling sugar rim and a static fast finish. The fur stands on end, the warmth becomes a current. Let's make it. 6 elements: bourbon, limoncello, yellow chartreuse, fresh lemon juice, ginger honey syrup, and a Pop Rocks sugar rim for the crackle. Start with just 1 ounce of bourbon, the Eevee through line, now charged. Every evolution starts with bourbon. What changes is the current running through it. Buffalo Trace still works as the base, but Jolteon runs fast and sharp, so we keep the bourbon light and let the electric yellow take over. Now the charge. 1/2 ounce of limoncello for that vivid electric yellow, and a 1/4 ounce of yellow chartreuse, the crackling herbal voltage. Together they electrify Eevee's warm base into something sharp and aggressive, like Jolteon's bristling, static fur. The limoncello brings the bright citrus punch, the chartreuse brings the herbal crackle. Then the static sting, 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice and 1/2 ounce of ginger honey syrup. The ginger arrives fast and sharp on the finish, like a small shock, and the honey is the through line, carried through from Eevee. Now the rim. Mix Pop Rocks into yellow sanding sugar and coat the edge. It crackles against your lip. Jolteon's discharge made tactile. Rub a lemon wedge around a rocks glass and dip it in the Pop Rocks sugar. Drop in 1 big clear ice cube. Shake the bourbon, limoncello, yellow chartreuse, lemon juice, and ginger honey syrup hard with ice for 15 seconds. Double strain over the ice. Vivid electric yellow. Then cut a lemon peel into a jagged lightning bolt zigzag and rest it across the rim. Jolteon discharges. Sharp and bright. Lemon, herbal voltage, and a fast ginger sting. It hits like a current and lets go. The warmth became a current, and somewhere with a firestone waiting, the next evolution is already smoldering. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.